Hi, welcome back again in this channel. Today I will discuss with very interesting lead code hard problem, and this type of problem asks in many interview question and like basic many different types of MNCs, and this is the very interesting question. So firstly let's discuss the problem statement. So basically I have two table, one is source and second one is target table. So here you can see this is the source table and this is the target table and this is the require output. Okay, so how is the output is coming? So first discuss the problem. So here you can see in source table id1 present and source table id1 both are present and name also one, and same as two IDs present in source, two ID present in the target table and name also same. So 1 and 2 is not present in the output. So mainly if id same and name is same, that is not present in the output table. And here you can see id in source table id3 is present, but in the target table id3 is not present. So what the output id3 and output is the new in source because is the not in the target table. And in the case of 4 is present in the source and 4 is present in the target also, but but in source table corresponding 4 name is id4 name is d and here name is x. So what is the output? Mismatch, because this d name and this name is not match. And if in case of 5 id, so here you can see in the source table 5 id 5 not present and in the target table id 5 is present. So here you can see name is f. So what you get the output? New in the target, because id 5 is not present in the source table. So how we have to do this approach? So here you can see if I run again, okay, two table source and target table. So here you can see we have to do join. We have to not do the self join or inner join, because if I do inner join, because 3 is not present, so 3 will be removed, and 5 also not present in the both table, so 5 also removed. So what I have to use? I have to use full join. So I have to use select from source table source. I have to give alias as full join target table, and I have to give name as alias uh, on s dot id equals to t dot id. Okay, so I have to give the star for all the data. If I run here, so here you can see I have to get the requirement output all the full join. So 1 2 3 4 are present and 5 also id is present, because here is null because this id not present in the source table. Okay, and in the case of 3 also you can see 3 is not present in the target table, that's why it's come null. So I have to first remove this one, because here id 1 and 2 name both are same in the source table and target table. What should I do? I have to use where condition, where s dot name not equals to t dot name. If I run here, so here you can see id3 and id5 both are two ids removed. Because of that, if I run here, you can see, because it compared name c not equals to, because here is the no value are there, null value, so it's not comparable, that's why this data also removed. And in 5 cases, so I have to use coalesce function, coalesc coalesce function. If this value is null, coalesce. If source dot name is null, then I have to give the random value, suppose example x. Okay, and this is also if target name is null, so I have to use again coalesce, coalesce, and this is null, then I have to give the value as y. Okay, not equal to. If I run this condition, so here you can see, so I have to get the 3 and 5, because it's compare c equals to y, because if null then is replaced as y, and here also is check d as x d not equals to f. So this data also I will get. So if the main condition I have to use, so I need only one id either 4 or either this 4. So I have to use again coalesce function, coalesce s dot id comma t dot id. If s dot id is null, then I got the t dot id. If t dot id is null, then I got the s dot id. So I have to give name as alias id, and I have to use case when statement, case when if source in source table, if name is null, then new in target table. Okay, and same as if target table name is null, then new in source table. So case when t dot name is null, then new in source, I have to copy this one again. So here I have to write if when if s dot name equals to null, then new in target this, otherwise I have to use else mismatch and as output. So if target in the target table, if name this is null, then new in source. If s dot in source name is null, then new in target. If in this condition both condition not match, then is give the output as mismatch. Okay, so if I run this, so here you can see the desired output: 3 new in source table, 4 mismatch, 5 in target. If this video makes you helpful, so please like this video. If you visit this channel first time, please subscribe this channel, and still if you have any query, please comment on below, so I have to give the reply as soon as possible. So we'll meet the next video. Goodbye.